So first I job making job name, then job name 10308, just whatever. Then I give a assume data. These 2 point I take backside. So 1000 nothing, steam 1000, and this point also 1000 nothing, steam 1000. Height whatever. I need only bearing and distance. I want to do control point traverse. So I do control point traverse. This is the assume data. Okay, then I go back. I already job make ready. Okay, so I set up. First set up. Then when do the traverse must go set orientation. Here have a known point, multiple backside or transfer height whatever. So set orientation, must go set orientation. I select set orientation. Okay. Then which point? Instrument 1. This is the instrument 1. I job make this one the instrument point. Okay, assume data nothing 1000, steam 1000. Height whatever, I just height no need. I don't want the vertical one, and I no need the level. So okay, ready, I give okay. Then backside point, which one I take backside? J10311. This is my backside point. Bearing must 00. Then I see after I shoot set. See already before I do ready, so they say yes on. Okay, yes, so finish ready. Then F4, they say total orientation. Okay. Now when I do traverse, I go page back. I do traverse control point measure set, must go measure set after give store. This is my job name, give store. So measure point, then measurement point, yes, using ABBA. Always remember ABBA. So measure point, I give okay. See measure point. So my first point, they asking the name. First point what? So first point I give 11, J10311 11. So point name I give ready. I give okay. Then I shoot target. Okay. Then I shoot first point. Okay, I shoot ready. So first point I shoot ready. So now I need second point. My second point is other place. Okay. I aim press. Okay, I am ready. So this is my second point name. Must change the name. My second point name JS5/5. This is my second point name. So once automatically. So I measure. Second point I measure. Can look the second point on the right. Storage ready. Second point. Okay. So third point. How many point I do the traverse? So how many point I need to shoot first? One by one shoot. Okay. Because I one man only, so I cannot make video. Okay, ready. I aim ready the target. So point name I must change. This is my point name JS51. Okay, point name must change. This is my point number 3. I give okay after I give measure. See 3 points to this. So I have 4 point total. So my another point have. Okay, my another point is here. See my man sit down. There. Okay. So I aim first. Okay, ready. And I am ready. So point name must be changed. Remember, this is point name AK10. Point name must change. So I give okay. then I measure. This is my number 4 point measure. So 4 point finish ready. So I give done. Then automatically one time shoot. Automatically one time shoot. After I give how many time I need to shoot, then I give the code number, then okay. See, one time shoot ready. Now go measure set. How many time you want to set measure? I give okay. Then here one time have. So I need 4 pack. I give 4, 5, 6. How many time can give? So 4 pack. My point is 4 A B B A. Then I start to give. Here man have. So that's why I cannot. Okay, I start. I give okay. Now automatically shoot. You can see my target is very far. Here one man, here one man. In this area one man. You can look, my man sit down. After here one man. Okay. Very nicely sit down, my man. Here one target. So now automatically shoot my instrument. This is called Control Traverse by Leica TS16 model. So maybe you guys can understand what I talking about. So I am Rafiqul Islam, Lens Survey, Singapore. Automatically moving. So now they do automatically. So can you look my target? This one automatically they shoot. You can see the reading. They adjust the bearing, vertical, horizontal. JS55 control panel. JS51 control panel. This is called a control Traverse by Leica TS16 So area very nice. This is my helmet. I sit down here. This one automatically can reading. See, my machine automatically can reading. My machine automatically reading. Every point totally 4 time reading. Phase 1, phase 2. So this is the control point traverse. So Rafiqul Islam. So So thank you very much. I think you understand.